Uh, Hello, dear students. So, I welcome you to today's session. Children, as you know, we are talking about the age of industrialization. I hope you all have seen the videos. But today, one of the students said that when the teacher's is in front, so concentration increases. Thank you so much for that feedback. Now, I'll definitely try that all my videos are accompanied with the pictures. I mean, what happens is that for more clarity, what happens, we avoid using cameras. Otherwise, using camera is not a problem. So, children, the topic that we are doing today is hand labor and steam power. Okay, how hand labor was becoming very powerful, and hand labor versus steam power. By this time, the power mode that was invented was the steam power. Only the steam power was the one thing that was producing energy. उस समय like water power and electricity and generating electricity through different ways and means ये नहीं होता था. तो स्टीम पावर वॉज देयर, वो तो हो ही रहा था. लेकिन फर्स्ट वी विल बी टॉकिंग, आई टोल्ड यू ना इन द लास्ट क्लास दैट वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस सोर्स. ये वो आदमी है, विल थॉर्न इज़ द पर्सन हु went in the search of seasonal work. When agriculture season is there, when harvesting season is there, when sowing season is there, people are engaged in agriculture. लेकिन जब एग्रीकल्चर नहीं हो रहा है उस समय क्या हो रहा है, वॉट इज़ हैपनिंग व्हेन एग्रीकल्चर इज़ नॉट देयर. तो ही वेंट इन सर्च ऑफ सीजनल वर्क. ही वॉज लोडिंग ब्रिक्स, डूइंग ऑड जॉब्स. हर तरीके का काम कर रहे थे. दीज आर ऑड जॉब्स ना. ओके. एंड सीजनल वर्क मीन्स फॉर सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. ये नहीं सारे टाइम उनको ये काम नहीं करना था, कुछ समय के लिए उनको ये काम करना था. तो एंड हाउ जॉब सीकर्स, द पीपल हु वांटेड जॉब, हाउ दे वेर गोइंग एंड लुकिंग फॉर इन द सर्च ऑफ जॉब इन लंडन. गुड सिचुएशन इज मैंशनड हियर. आपको ये पूरा देखना पड़ेगा. वैसे आई एम जस्ट गोइंग थ्रू इट वंस. जस्ट सी इन हिज लैंग्वेज, आई हैड ऑलवेज वांटेड टू गो टू लंडन. लंदन जाना चाहते थे. एंड माई डिज़ायर, मैं ये चाहता था, वॉज स्टिमुलेटेड माई मतलब आई ऑलवेज वॉन्टेड, आई ऑलवेज डिज़ायर्ड. सो इट वॉज स्टिमुलेटेड बाई लेटर्स फ्रॉम एन ओल्ड वर्कमेट. मतलब हिज वन ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड्स वॉज ऑलरेडी देयर इन लंडन. तो ही वॉज वर्किंग एट द ओल्ड कैंट रोड रोड गैस वर्क, सॉरी. सो he was continuously receiving letters from his friend that life is great and I am enjoying here, and why don't you also come, we will have a good life here and all these things. So after listening to his friend's version, he decided ki okay, I'll go to London. So he came to London. Now please note the time period, November 1881. Two friends were there. And I started to walk the journey, filled with the hope that we would be able to, because they have come for employment, na? So he had come with his friends and he started his journey, and he was very hopeful that they would be getting job and they would be able to be employed. So when they come to London, his friend, with the kind assistance of his friend, of my friend, matlab he is telling this all things, we had little money when we started. So when they had come, at that time they did not have much money, not enough to pay for our food and lodging each night until we arrived in London. Means imagine that reaching in London was also a tough task in those days. Got it, children? London पहुँचना तो दूसरी बात है, London तक मतलब you reach London without money and then you settle in London, these were two different things. So they have to, obviously, while they are traveling, they need food to eat. Might be the village that was there, it was very far off from London. So from London they are coming to from their village they are coming to London, so it's taking a long time. So some days we walked as much as 20 miles. Oh god, they were walking to London. And other days less. Okay, I'm sorry children, we are talking about a period 1881. अच्छा, उस समय तो means of communication was very low. मतलब moving from one place to the other place, इनको अगर लंदन जाना है तो they were walking with two of his friends. They had very little money, and when they started enough, they did not had enough to pay for their food, lodging. 20 miles they had walked. My god, very tough. Our money was gone at the end of the third day. 3 दिन के लिए उनके पास पैसा था, and all the money is finished. They slept out once under a haystack and once in the old farm shade. Haystack is there, वो गायों के लिए जो चारा वारा रखा जाता है उसके नीचे इनको सोना पड़ा. And once in the old farm shade, कोई फार्म हाउस किसी का रहा होगा वहाँ के शेड में. तो when they arrived in London, once they had come to London, we tried to find my friend. Now they were searching for the friend because the friend had shown a very bright picture. This is what is the mistake that happens. People, children, what happens that those who are staying at a different place, they try to show off, oh wow, I am having a very nice life and this and that, and reality where there is nothing. So from here the life starts going wrong. Up you are staying in your village in a very peaceful life, ठंडी ठंडी हवा ले रहे हैं, अच्छा सा पानी पी रहे हैं, खेती कर रहे हैं, and then they start getting a different picture of London. Oh, life is very good, and we are very happy and all that, these things. So when the things started going wrong, children, I'm so sorry, the electricity had gone and I have very less charging left. That's why I have to switch off my camera, but I'll try to make it as interesting as possible. Just check, it is mentioned here. Once in the old farm. Now when he came to London, when these friends came to London, and there was nothing for them to do but to walk around and late at night and then find a place to sleep. Next day, Sunday, late in the afternoon, we got to the old Kent gas works, the place where his friend was working. He got there, and they then applied for work because of course they wanted to work. So to his surprise, what happened, the man they were looking for, the friend was working at the time. He spoke to the foreman and I was given a job. Foreman is the person who's in charge of those machines that are there in an industry. Foreman. And he got a job. So this eyewitness is there, this person who is explaining the things, H.D. Dios and Michael Wolff Ed's Victorian City Images and Realities, means the name of the book जिसमें कि ये पूरा दिया हुआ है, the place where this complete thing is mentioned is the Victorian City Images and Realities. Okay, it was published in 1973, but the witnesses were there from the olden times only. Okay, now children, I would like you to see this picture. Yeah. Look at the condition. This movable cart is there. They used to keep movable homes, na? They did not had any way out because कब कहाँ जाके काम करना पड़ेगा, तो people used to make these kind of houses. And उसके बाद ये देख रहे हो यहाँ पे क्या करते थे, इस जगह पे वो हॉर्स को यहाँ पे बांध देते थे और फिर ये कार्ट बन जाता था. I mean it became a movable item which can be taken to different places. You can imagine the tough life that the people were facing, and all these people who were here ये देखो किस तरह से यहाँ पे लेडी कपड़े सुखा रही है, इतने सारे, देर आर सो मेनी चिल्ड्रन अराउंड. What was the way and method of their fooding, lodging? It was something that was very uncertain. Got it? Just see the explanation is mentioned here. What is here? People on the move in search of work. They are looking for some work. And it was published in the Illustrated London News, 1879 में it was published. Some people were always on the move, selling same small goods, looking for temporary work. Continuously, these people were moving. They were selling certain things. I told you, that's why they have made movable houses. Now, hand labor versus the steam power. They all were waiting. Just see, Victorian Britain. Victorian means Queen Victoria was there. No? Queen Victoria as the ruler was there. There was no shortage of human labor. Immense amount of labor was available because people did not had work to do. काम लोगों के पास नहीं था, तो जो भी काम मिलता था वो करते थे. And poor peasants and vagrants, though people who were continuously moving. These way people came in large numbers. We have already discussed, we have already seen how the people who were moving to the cities, the kind of hardship they had faced. So plenty of labor is there, wages are low. बहुत सारे लोग हैं काम करने के लिए ना, तो salary would be low. And these people who were the owners, the people who were there, who have established the industries, they did not want to install machines, because working with machines was again very difficult. Why? Working with machines was difficult because maintenance cost was very high. And at that time, the machines that were invented, how well these machines can be used, very less people knew it. Many of them were illiterate. The people who knew to operate the machines were very less. तो कौन risk लेगा? And they required large capital investment. बहुत सारा पैसा भी invest करना है. तो people said कि instead of installing the machines, what is the easy method? Human labor. More and more people should be employed to do the labor, and they can easily manufacturing, the way the manufacturing process was happening earlier, the same manufacturing process can continue here now. So plenty of labor is there, wages was low, people were in a very bad position. So many industries, what happened, demand for labor was seasonal. Sometimes people needed more work, more people to work in these industries. Gas works and breweries were especially busy through the cold month. Cold month में what happens कि पानी गर्म करना है हर एक एरिया में. Britain is a place which witnesses extreme cold. तो वहाँ पे कोल्ड मंथ्स, दैट इज़ दिसंबर एंड जनवरी जो होता है ना, बहुत ठंड होती है, -डिग्री, द टेम्परेचर इज़ -डिग्री. तो ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम व्हाट हैपेंड, गैस वर्क्स एंड ब्रूअरीज मीन्स आई थिंक इट इज़ सप्लाइंग ऑफ hot water and other chemicals for firewood and all. So more workers were needed to meet their peak demand. Book binders, printers catering to Christmas demand. Christmas का भी यही टाइम है. ओके, सो क्रिसमस में कार्ड्स कितने बनते हैं, तो यू कैन सी प्रिंटर्स, बाइंडर्स, लॉट ऑफ वर्क वाज अवेलेबल. तो दे ऑल्सो नीडेड एक्स्ट्रा हैंड्स बिफोर डिसम्बर. दिसंबर के पहले more and more people were needed to work. And at the waterfront means जहाँ पे पानी वानी का काम हो रहा है, winter was the time that ships were repaired. Water is frozen na? You might be thinking why it is so. Water is frozen and शिप्स कैन नॉट सेल ऑन द फ्रोजन वाटर, देयर वाटर इज नीडेड, आइस पे तो शिप नहीं सेल करेगा. तो ऑल दीज शिप्स वेयर रिपेयर्ड एंड स्प्रूस्ड अप, मतलब सर्विसिंग होती थी. स्प्रूस्ड अप मीन्स सर्विसिंग होती थी. तो इन ऑल सच इंडस्ट्रीज व्हाट हैपेंड, प्रोडक्शन फ्लक्चुएटेड विद द सीजन. Some season lot of large scale production was there, some season less production was there, and industrialists usually preferred hand labor. The people who were there in these industries, they said कि हाथ से जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं, it is better than employing the people who are operating the machines. So employing workers for the season, for some days only they have to pay more na, all the time they don't have to pay. Certain seasons are there, in those seasons more labor and more workers are needed. So they found that hand labor is easy. Many products were there, okay, where hand was only needed. Machines were oriented to produce, abhi machino se what all productions were happening, just see. Uniforms, standardized goods for mass market, लेकिन डिमांड इन द मार्केट वॉज ऑफन फॉर गुड्स विथ इंट्रिकेट डिज़ाइंस. मार्केट में द डिमांड दैट इज़ हैपनिंग, दे वांटेड एक्सक्लूसिव डिज़ाइंस, हाँ, एंड स्पेसिफिक शेप्स. तो मिड 19th सेंचुरी में हैपेंड, फॉर इंस्टेंस 500 वैराइटीज. अभी व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स नीडेड हैंड वर्क, जस्ट सी. इंट्रिकेट डिज़ाइन मतलब बहुत महीन कारीगरी, एंड स्पेसिफिक शेप्स. ये क्या होता है, मशीन से हो पाएगा? नहीं, मशीन से नहीं हो पाएगा. तो मिड 19th सेंचुरी में ब्रिटेन फॉर इंस्टेंस 500 वैराइटीज ऑफ हैमर्स वेयर प्रोड्यूस्ड. हैमर यू नो ना, हथौड़ी, या 500 वैराइटीज, डिफरेंट क्वालिटीज ऑफ हैमर्स, हथौड़ी जो प्रोड्यूस हो रहे हैं. 5 kinds of axes, कुल्हाड़ी, या 45 kinds of axes were there. तो ह्यूमन स्किल वॉज नीडेड, नॉट मैकेनिकल टेक्नोलॉजी. मशीन से ये सारा काम नहीं हो सकता था. गॉट इट? तो इन ब्रिटेन व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, अपर क्लास इज देयर, aristocrats are there, bourgeois are there. Bourgeois children I have already explained who were the bourgeois. They preferred things produced by hand. Okay, machine made goods were not very popular amongst the upper class. Upper class को हाथ से बना हुआ ही सामान चाहिए था. They were more comfortable and more happy with handmade goods because the kind of finesse, the kind of finishing that happens by hands, it is missing in the machines. So handmade products came to symbolize refinement and class. They were better finished, individually produced and carefully designed. Designing had happened in a very careful manner. So machine made goods क्या था, internally, I mean in Britain, the material that was used, that was made by handmade goods were more preferred. मशीनों से भी तो सामान बन रहा है. सो दैट वॉज ऑल दैट वॉज एक्सपोर्टेड, बाहर के देश में भेज देते थे. सो इट वॉज एक्सपोर्टेड टू द कॉलोनी. आई एम सॉरी चिल्ड्रन. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड इन कंट्रीज वेयर लेबर शॉर्टेज वॉज देयर, handmade goods were used for the internal, for the Londoners, for the Britishers. जहाँ पे labor shortage was there, industrialists were keen on using mechanical power. Labor नहीं है तो when labor shortage is there ना, so things will be produced by machines. And human labor can be minimized. And the need for human labor can be minimized, or obviously machines will produce in large number. Human beings will produce, human being hand में labor करके आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को आपको अपॉइंट करना पड़ेगा. You have to appoint more and more people. but with the new machines, large scale production will happen with very less number of people. तो अभी this was happening in America. Britain had no power with hiring human hands. Means, try to understand in simple, in America there was shortage of hand labor, and in Britain they had lot of human hands. ये भी यहाँ समझने वाली बात है that Britain had more number of unemployed in comparison to America. हाँ, the people who are unemployed किसी भी तरह का काम करेंगे, कहीं भी जाके काम करेंगे, लेकिन ब्रिटेन में ऐसा, अमेरिका में ऐसा नहीं था. This was about the hand labor. Now, just try to understand the life of the people in these industrial towns. People who are working in these industries, how would be their life, how they will be dealing in the different situations that are arising. So there was lot of labor in the market, so the lives of workers was affected. Workers who were there, their lives was not very smooth, and possible jobs, I mean the condition of the job that was there when it reached to the countryside, means गाँव में जब ये सारी बातें पहुँची, hundreds tramped to the cities. बहुत सारे लोग, मतलब in hundreds these people they came to the cities because they were very hopeful now. Just see, a news of possible job travel to the countryside. गाँव में जब ये मैसेज पहुँचा कि अभी बहुत so much of job is to be created in the cities, all these people started moving, tramp to the cities. They came and they started working in cities. So getting a job depended on existing networks of friendship and kin relations. How you are getting the job? Got it? Coming to the city is not the only solving of the problem now. The problem needs to be sorted out. Job needs to be solved. Existing network of friendship and kin relations. How many friends are there? रिश्तेदार, नातेदार, चाचा हैं, मामा हैं, मासी हैं, ठीक है, बड़े पापा हैं, अंकल हैं. Are you understanding? Try to understand the kin relations. So as many people are employed in the big cities, these many number of people will be getting jobs. आराम से those people will be getting job whose relatives are already staying in these big cities. So suppose a relative is there or a friend is there in the factory, you were more likely to get job quickly. तुरंत से काम मिल जाएगा. लेकिन everyone did not had social connections, no? Those who had social connections, those who had family in London, they will have a very smooth life. But जिनकी family नहीं है, those who do not have any kin relations, just now that I said, how will they get the job? So many job seekers, they came in search of job. They came here. But they have to wait for weeks. For many weeks they have to work, spending nights under bridges. पुल के नीचे जो जगह होती है, बारिश अगर हो जाएगी तो कहाँ जाएंगे? Very cold, it's very cold, and all the places below the bridge area, okay, under the bridges. So they used to spend their night like this. Just check, Silan. देख रहे हो? This is a painting again. Click picture नहीं, but look at the way people are flocking in London. The agricultural system, अपने घर को छोड़ के चले आते हैं. They leave their place, they leave their hometown, and then they come to the cities. But look at the situations that they face in the cities. खड़े होके सो रहे हैं, मतलब लेट के सोने की भी जगह नहीं है. They did not have place even to lie down. My dear children, such a tough situation. Now just see what explanation is given here. This painting shows the homeless in London applying for tickets to stay overnight in a workhouse. And these shelters were maintained under the supervision of poor law commissioners, the people who were working with the as lawyers, those who were working in law for the destitute. Destitute means जिन्होंने घर छोड़ दिया है, the people who have left their houses. Destitute. Wayfarers, those who keep on moving around here and there. Wanderers, ठीक है, wayfarers are रास्ते की खाक छानते हैं जो, wayfarers. And wanderers, those who move from one place to the other place. घूम घूम के काम खोज रहे हैं, रहने के लिए जगह खोज रहे हैं. So staying in these workhouses was a humiliating experience. Obviously, who will like living like this? किसको अच्छा लगेगा ऐसा रहना? Everyone was subjected to a medical examination to see whether they were carrying disease. Everybody has go through the medical examination, because if one person has disease, अभी इसको तो मैं explain बिल्कुल नहीं करूँगी. I am not going to explain that if one person has disease, what happens to the other. यहाँ पे तो if one person is infected, तो उसके साथ 100 are getting infected. Situation is getting worse day by day. तो their bodies were cleansed and their clothes were purified. कपड़ा भी तो एक ही पहना हुआ है. And they did not have the way, they did not have the concept of common toilets everywhere. Common toilets were there, लेकिन every nook and corner, the way we have the Shulab Shauchalaya and the public toilets, वो that was missing at that time there. So they had to also do hard labor. बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती थी. तो where were the people staying? Just see. वर्क हाउसेज मीन्स जहाँ पे काम हो रहा है वहाँ पे तो इस तरह खड़े होकर रात भर सो लिए. सम पीपल हु हैड सम मनी, जिनके पास थोड़ा पैसा था, सम स्टेड इन नाइट रिफ्यूजेस दैट वेयर सेट अप बाय प्राइवेट इंडिविजुअल्स. मेनी पीपल हु वेयर ओनर्स ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज, जो थोड़ा सोशल वर्क करना चाहते हैं, बिकॉज यू कैन सी दिस पिक्चर इज वेरी हार्ट टचिंग पिक्चर. लुक एट द वे people are staying on roads. Look at the children, small kids, and their parents and their condition. तो private individuals used to make arrangement. नहीं, वो देखा है इंडिया में. I will explain you from the situation in India also. कंबल बांटते हैं, बिस्तर बांट देते हैं, गरम गरम चाय बंटवाते हैं. All these people who are on roads, imagine how they will face the situations of extreme cold. तो others went to casual wards maintained by poor law authorities. तो private individuals were there. They were trying to help these workers who were coming from their own hometowns. अपने घर को छोड़ छोड़ के जो आ रहे थे. Help was being provided to these people by the private authorities, law authorities. मिल के इनको बचाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. But still they could not be saved. Seasonality of work in many industries meant prolonged periods without work. बहुत लंबे समय तक seasonal work, किसी किसी मौसम में किसी किसी टाइम पे काम हो रहा है. तो without work the people have to stay for a long period. And when the busy season was over, like Christmas is over, New Year, Happy New Year हो गया, Christmas हो गया, the poor were on the streets again. Now the bookbinder will say, the printer will say कि अभी तो next year we will be celebrating Christmas. Why should we pay you now? Thank you so much. We had contracted you for 2 months. Now your job is gone. तो some return to the country. कुछ तो अपने घर वापस चले जाते थे after the winter, when the demand for labor in the rural areas opened up in the places. तो rural areas now, when शहर से निकाल दिया गया तो कहाँ जाएंगे? They will go to the rural areas. एंड बट मोस्ट लुक्ड फॉर ऑड जॉब्स, अजीब अजीब तरीके का काम करते थे, बिकॉज दे कुड नॉट गो बैक. If I would say that they in fact they did not have money to go back, that would be also correct. So which till the mid 19th century were difficult to find. Odd jobs भी नहीं मिल रहे थे, means people went back to their villages. Those who did not get time to be in the village, to go back to the village, they were ready to do odd job, वो भी नहीं मिल रहा था. Okay, so children, please keep revising this and we'll be continuing it in the next class. Thank you children and all the best to you.